So guys, I am going to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, go to your phone menu. When you get to your phone menu, you can see we are in the A section, so you have to go to the C section, and this is the C section. So use your finger to tap on this for some while, and you're going to see these two pop up, which is the app info and send to desktop. So you tap on the app info. So when you tap on app info, tap on permission. Then you have to make sure every permission is allowed, and as you can see, camera, files, and media, location, microphone is all allowed, and none of these are denied. Do you get me? So we have to go back and tap on the storage and cache. Now when you look down below the storage and cache, you're going to see clear cache over here. You tap on it. Now go back. Now tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you make sure this background data is turned on like this. Then you tap on the back section. Now what you have to do is to make sure you tap on this full stop. Then you tap on OK when an information or info pop up on the phone screen. Do you get me? So after doing this, what you have to do is to just restart your device. So to restart your device, you just have to tap on your power button for some while, and you are going to see when you tap on the power button for some while, you're going to see these two options, which is the power off and restart. Just try to select the restart button to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends.